Hey friends, welcome back. Tonight I've got another dinner video for you, so stay tuned to see what we ate this past week for dinner. If you're new around here, I hope that you enjoy the video and please consider subscribing to be a part of our family. Also head over to the Instagram page to follow us over there for more fun and shenanigans. This is another weekly dinner video where we show you what we had for dinner every night, or most nights of the past week. So we do get every plate meal delivery. That covers 3 of our meals each week. If you're not familiar, check out the link below. You will save $20. This is not sponsored, but it should be. So if you're listening, Every Plate, come get me. Every Plate is one of the least expensive meal delivery options, and we get it for free because so many of you use our referral credit. So we thank you so much for helping reduce our grocery budget. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we had for dinner. So yeah, let's do that. Hey friends, it is Monday night and we are having steak for dinner. We actually upgraded to one of the steak meals from Every Plate, and I'll let you know if it's worth it. The steaks look to be pretty decent size and quality for, it's I think a $2.99 upgrade per person, so it was like an extra $12 basically. And then along with that I've got potato medallions roasting in the oven, and then it's also gonna be served with green beans amandine, which I'm roasting up the almonds right now. And then I'm gonna cook the steak, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick ooh, those are smelling good. A quick preview of what's happening. So, Monday night steak night. And here's everything dished up. I used real plates for the kids, so it doesn't look like they're very full, but if this was on a children's plate, it would be a full plate. So they are each sharing a steak with some green beans and potatoes. And then we've got Will's plate, and there is one extra steak for him. We like our steak medium, or medium rare, so that's why it's pink. Sorry if that is off-putting to some of you, but that's our dinner, and I'm really excited. Hey friends, it is Wednesday night. I'm running off of 3 hours of sleep, so dinner is non-existent. I fell asleep at 10, woke up at 1 a.m., and I've basically been awake ever since, and it's almost 7 o'clock. Will actually heated up some leftovers for himself. This is the chicken tikka masala from the other night with rice. I'll probably heat up a little bowl of this as well. I'm starting to feel a little hungry. The kids wanted chicken nuggets and mozzarella sticks because Will asked if I would do some mozzarella sticks in the air fryer while I was doing the chicken nuggets. So Will is also having a plate of mozzarella sticks. And this is a very uncolorful meal, but at least they're getting fed, right? Right? Right. All right, it's Wednesday. Alice and I spent most of the day at the zoo for a field trip. So I just got home. I'm throwing I can't talk is what I'm throwing. Throwing together a simple, quick pasta dinner. I've got some marinated chicken here. It's just got olive oil, salt, pepper, and some Italian seasoning. We've got diced tomato. This is an Every Plate meal, but it's so easy to throw together, I'm barely following the recipe. This is a Lemony chicken Alfredo. The Italian seasoning I actually added of my own volition. Got some Parmesan, linguine, cream to make the sauce. Water's coming up to a boil, and I'm about to cook the chicken here. So this should be on the table, I'm assuming, in the next 20 minutes. So we're excited because we're hungry. It's been a very long day. Did you have a good day at the zoo? Yeah. Yeah? What was your favorite thing you saw? The red, so she saw just a random red bird hopping around, and then we saw flamingos. I liked the gorillas the best.
Yeah, they were funny.
They were playing, weren't they? The baby kept rolling around. Yeah.
He did somersaults.
He did somersaults.
I saw snakes.
Yeah, and you weren't too scared, were you? You know, what was it that you didn't like though? There was something you said, I don't like that. Was it the cockroaches? I don't remember. The
alligator and the bats.
Oh yeah, the bats, that's what it was. Alice did not like the bats. Nope, she ran away and kind of got a little teary-eyed, huh? That's all right. Bats are kind of yucky.
I don't like those faces when they open their mouth.
Yeah, they're kind of creepy.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get dinner cooked, and then you need a bath.
We saw giraffes.
We did see giraffes. Huh. Elephants and hippos and rhinos and tigers and lions.
You're forgetting something.
What am I forgetting?
Zebras.
Zebras, yep. It was a good day, huh?
Yeah.
I'm glad I got to go with you.
We saw the giraffe house.
Yeah, there was no giraffes in the giraffe house because the giraffes were out hanging out, in the open area.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, what?
We saw tigers and snow tiger.
A snow leopard.
And also we got to go in like a portable area.
Did you see the seals? They were kind of playing with you by the windows.
It was so cold and I loved it.
It felt really good because it was like 84 degrees out, huh? All right, I need to finish dinner, okay?
We also saw penguins.
2 baby penguins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some turtles.
And some turtles.
A big
tortoise.
A big giant one.
He was huge.
About like this big.
Yeah, he was big.
Yeah.
All right, dinner is done. It is 5:30, if you can see that. I've dished up the kids. Theirs is already at the table cooling, and this is what we have left on top of mine and Will's bowls. So again, I always say it, but the pasta dishes and recipes from every plate make so much food. So we're gonna, woo, we're going to eat.
Lots of food.
All right, dinner time. See you tomorrow. Hey friends, it is Thursday night. We are having Hawaiian pork tacos. As you can see, Will has his plate assembled. It's ground pork, onion, Southwest seasoning, and tomatoes, pineapple, which is here. He's got like Vanna White hands going on. And then pickled onion, jalapeno, and a lime sour cream on there. We've also got some fresh strawberries.
I'm a hand model.
He's a hand model. Jackson's having 2 tacos. Alice doesn't like tacos. She's the weirdest. Sometimes I don't know if she's even mine. She's having basically kind of like a microwave quesadilla. It's just cheese and sour cream on a tortilla. And I need to make my plate yet, so that's dinner. Friday night is pizza night. We're back to pizzas on Friday. Are you excited? Yeah. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Real hungry or a little hungry?
Real hungry.
Super hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have to go to the bathroom? Okay, maybe you should go. So we've got the Focus pepperoni pizza, Great Value brand, rising crust. I add extra like mozzarella cheese to it because cheese is life. The kids have mini pizzas from Costco, and I also add extra cheese to that. Jack has pepperoni, Alice just has cheese. And then we had a sunbasket salad in the fridge that needed to be used, so that's what we're doing tonight. Alice actually assembled the salad, didn't you?
Yeah. I was actually sitting down a lot and I almost fell down when I walked over here.
Whoa, crazy. So this salad has mixed power greens, walnuts, dried blueberries, and puffed quinoa. So like dried puffed quinoa. I don't know, it's crunchy and good. And then I added cucumbers to it and ranch dressing for all of us because I didn't like the dressing that came with the salad, unfortunately. But that's dinner for tonight. I'm letting the pizza cool just slightly so I can cut into it and serve it up. But y'all know what pizza looks like on a plate, right? It's pizza. Yay. There you go, another week of dinners. Thank you so much for watching. Drop me a comment down below if you have questions or comments. And then there's this guy.
I'm from every plate. I'm here to get you. This is
they
one
came
of
and got
every
me.
Plate.
There's a plate, and there's an Alice.
See,
and there's a monkey. Tell him bye.
Had for dinner.
Close it out.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Click the red button right down there. Bye.